Hello, my name is John. My wife Kathy and I have lived in the state of Washington in the small town of Cedar Woolley for over 30 years. Our property was originally built in 1974 as a single-story rambler with 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. An addition was added in 2004, which included another full bathroom. Our septic system is a gravity fed with a 900-gallon tank with gravity feed going out to the Leachfield. It was maintained and pumped out periodically over the years with no issues until last year. We had a sewage backup in our downstairs bathroom shower on 2 separate occasions. This was the bathroom that was closest located to the septic tank. We had the septic tank system come and pump out immediately, and they informed us that our septic system was saturated and failing. So we began to do research online, watching videos on YouTube to see what to do about our situation. Several mentioned the company called Biosafe, and they gave amazing reviews. From there, we decided to contact them, and we spoke with Chris Jorgensen. Chris was very informative and answered all of our questions. His knowledge base was amazing. He shared with us that simple things like using the wrong toilet paper, the incorrect dishwasher fluid, wrong fluid for our washing machine, even shower gels and things like that were detrimentally harming our septic system. And based on the age of our system, he suggested we used a heavy-duty nuclear sludge treatment or shock system. We thought, we'll give it a shot since we have nothing to lose, so we ordered the product and followed his instructions exactly as he sent them to us in several emails. We received a large pallet including 11 pails of the Biosafe 1-2, 60 Boss bags of powder, and 15 clear bags of power packs that were to be used inside or outside in the septic tank. We began the nuclear shock treatment in June of 2025 and followed with monthly maintenance using the Boss powder bags, mixing 1 bag with 1 to 2 gallons of 80 to 90 degree hot water and stirring it for 5 minutes and then pouring it directly into the toilets as indicated in the instructions. We are so thankful that we've had no issues or backup since. This is a picture of the septic tank before the treatment began. A little hard to see, but boy, it was in bad shape. And here is a photograph of the same septic tank after Biosafe treatment. What an amazing difference. We were glad to pay out the money for the Biosafe 1 treatment instead of completely rebuilding our septic system to the cost of between $40,000 to $60,000. We're thankful for Chris Jorgensen and all he did and reached out to us multiple times to instruct us and to share with us different things. We're thankful we took this route, and we recommend you give them a try as well.